Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Marwah Alfiani. I will explain the next material, namely conceptualizing and developing intercultural communicative competence. Conceptualizing and cultivating intercultural communicative proficiency entails adeptly comprehending and traversing the intricacies of communication amidst diverse cultural contexts. This encompasses a deep-stated grasp of cultural intricacies such as norms, values, belief systems, and varied communication modalities, coupled with the honing of interpretative, adaptive, and reconciliatory competence to facilitate seamless interaction and reciprocal comprehension among individuals hailing from heterogeneous backgrounds. Nah, di sini maksudnya mengkonseptualisasikan dan mengembangkan kemahiran komunikatif antar budaya itu memerlukan pemahaman yang mahir dan melintasi seluk-beluk komunikasi di tengah konteks budaya yang beragam. Hal ini mencakup pemahaman mendalam tentang seluk-beluk budaya seperti norma, nilai, sistem kepercayaan, dan beragam modalitas komunikasi, ditambah dengan mengasah kompetensi interpretatif, adaptif, dan rekonsiliasi untuk memfasilitas interaksi yang lancar dan pemahaman timbal balik di antara individu yang berasal dari latar belakang yang heterogen. Next, intercultural competence. Intercultural competence is a crucial skill in today's globalized world, essential for effective communication and collaborative across diverse cultural backgrounds. Kompetensi antar budaya. Nah, di sini maksudnya kompetensi antar budaya ini adalah keterampilan penting di dunia global saat ini yang penting untuk komunikasi dan kolaborasi efektif antar latar belakang budaya yang beragam. And next, it encompasses several key components. Cultural awareness. Number 1, intercultural competence involves being aware of one's own cultural values, beliefs, and biases as well as recognizing and understanding the values and beliefs of other cultures. Nah, di sini ini mencakup beberapa komponen utamanya, yakni kesadaran budaya. Yang pertama, kompetensi antar budaya ini melibatkan kesadaran akan nilai-nilai keyakinan dan bias budaya sendiri, serta mengenali dan memahami nilai-nilai dan keyakinan budaya lain.
Okay, next, number 2, communication skills. It includes the ability to communicate effectively with individuals from different cultural backgrounds, which requires sensitivity to niches in the language, nonverbal cues, and a communication style. Number 3, empathy and respect. Intercultural competence involves empathizing with others' perspective and respecting culture different even when they differ from one's own culture norm. Number 4, adaptability. Being adaptable and flexible in the behavior and communication is the crucial in the intercultural interaction. This involves adjusting one's approach to accommodate the culture preferences and the expectation of the others. Number 4, conflict resolution. Intercultural competence also encompasses the ability to manage and resolve conflict that might arise due to cultural differences, either through the sensitive dialogue and compromise. Next matter is intercultural communication competence. Intercultural communicative competence goes beyond basic communication skills and encompasses a deeper understanding of how cultural influence communication.
Okay, the next material, here's breakdown. One language proficiency, it involves having proficiency in at least one language other than your native language, allowing for an effective communication with individuals from different cultural background. 2. Cultural awareness. Similar to general intercultural competence, it requires an understanding of cultural norms, value, benefit, and communication style. This awareness helps in navigating cultural difference and avoiding misunderstanding. 3. Nonverbal communication. Intercultural communicative competence includes an awareness of nonverbal cues such as body language, facial expression, gesture, and significantly across cultural and impact communication. 4. Interpersonal skill. It involves the ability to build rapport, establish trust, and demonstration ability when communicating with individuals from diverse cultural backgrounds. This includes being sensitive to cultural difference in social custom, greeting, and etiquettes.
5. Adaptability. Intercultural communicative competence emphasizes adaptability in communication, being able to adjust one's language, tone, and communication style to suit the cultural preference and expectation of others. Number 6. Conflict resolution, like general. Intercultural competence, it also involves the ability to manage and resolve conflict that may arise due to cultural misunderstanding or difference in communication style. Jadi, maksudnya yaitu kemampuan beradaptasi kompetisi komunikatif antar budaya menekankan kemampuan beradaptasi dalam berkomunikasi, mampu menyesuaikan bahasa, nada, dan gaya komunikasi agar sesuai dengan preferensi budaya dan harapan orang lain. Yang keenam, resolusi konflik. Seperti umumnya, kompetisi antar budaya juga melibatkan kemampuan untuk mengelola dan menyelesaikan konflik yang mungkin timbul karena kesalahpahaman budaya atau perbedaan gaya komunikasi. Overall, intercultural communicative competence enables individuals to effectively navigate intercultural communication situation, fostering mutual understanding, respect, and cooperation across cultural boundaries. Jadi, kesimpulan secara keseluruhan yaitu kompetisi komunikatif antar budaya memungkinkan individu untuk secara efektif menavigasi situasi komunikasi antar budaya, memupuk saling pengertian, rasa hormat, dan kerjasama yang melintasi batas-batas budaya.